Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to jump in here really quick to give you guys a view of my third project because I did it on my own time. I didn't film it, and I just wanted to show you like all the 3 summer splash projects that I did in one video. So we're gonna start off, of course, this is the back page of it, and I'm gonna try to scoot it over. This is the introduction page, or the main page, as you can see, and this is my album for 2010. So I've already started working on that. So this is the first layout, and then I have, because I had quite a few pictures for this year, I have 2 pocket pages. So just wanted to show you, that's Big Mike doing a back flip, and then little Mike butt up in the air doing a flip as well. And then here's this one right here. Because this one was like really busy, I decided to leave it as it is, just kind of like a decoration. Kids right here, so cute. And then this one right here of the kids, look how little they were. Adriana was 2, about to be 2 this summer. Very cute. Look, here's another picture of how she's always looking up to him for like guidance and attention and stuff. Me and Adriana, Mike and Mike. And then this is the last look for that page. So just wanted to show you that. Watermelon. I'm like the type of mom that takes a cooler to the pool for snacks and stuff. I don't know, something about the water and the sun always makes us hungry. So very nice collection. That's gonna be it for the scrapbook layout. Now I don't know if you guys caught this, and I ended up deciding to leave it here. I don't know if you caught it, but I ended up using the last few layouts using that collection, Summer Splash. So that's the layout 1, 2. Let me zoom you guys in, because I had to zoom you all the way out so I could show the 12 by 12, but so here's that one, that one. Basically the end portion of my summer 2018 is using that collection, and this one right here is the last one. So that's the second project. I didn't show how to creating the layouts. I just kind of did an overall, but like I said in this video, I wanted to show you all 3 projects together. So that's going to be for the Traveler's Notebook. And then this is my third project, you guys. Let me zoom you guys in even more. The inspiration for this came off of somebody on Pinterest or scrapbook.com. I don't know who it was, so I'm going to link their information in the description box below. But this wasn't my original idea. This actually came from that person, and I'm not really sure. I can't remember if it was from Pinterest or if it was from scrapbook.com. So in case you didn't know, I like scrapbook.com because one, their prices are really reasonable in my opinion. I told you guys I haven't found a website that has the best prices that compares to them. Maybe they do, I don't know. You guys just let me know, and I'm more than happy to check out other websites and or purchasing crafts online. And then the second thing that scrapbook.com, well, there's 3 things that I love about them. The first one, like I said, is the prices. The second one is they're centrally located in Arizona, so even if I pay regular mail, it still gets here within 2 days. So I get my stuff really quick. I really love that about them. And then the third is that they not only sell stuff, But if you just want to check out the gallery, there's people that post their projects there, which I'm in there. It's under Anna Robinson, but I post my gallery pictures there as well. And most of us, because I know it asked me, the website asked if it was okay for people to share or to save the images or the inspirations to their favorites, and I have no problem with that. You guys, you know, for any of my projects, if you want to copy it to the teeth, I have no problem with that. But I do want to give credit where credit is due. And like I said, this isn't my original idea. Let's start off, because I'm going over on, it's going to be a long video and I'm just showing you things. Okay, so this is the introduction to the little, I guess, album. And the first one is Beach and Sand. I'm going to use this paper. It's actually Adriana was watercoloring last night with me. I'm going to use this paper to help me clear the other one so that you guys can see. So this is the introduction, and then you flip it over and it's just another little tag on the back with the guy and the gal for ready for vacation. Here's the second tag. In this section right here, there's going to be a 2x2 picture. I am actually doing this for my nephew Sabino, which you guys know is Lily, my sister Lily's son. And she recently posted pictures of Sabino and my mom in the pool, and I wanted to just make a little something for him. I don't know, I'm always doing stuff for people. So anyways, but I like doing it. I'm not complaining about it. I actually get like a satisfaction that I don't know, that's just my way of sharing kindness. Anyways, so I haven't developed the pictures. I know there's a big difference once the pictures are added, so just try to imagine what I'm talking about. So I'm going to point out where I have the pictures just so that you guys can see. So there's going to be a 2x2 picture here. You flip it over and look at this flamingo, you guys. It's a Tropical Flamingo. I don't know the brand. I'll put it in the description as well. There's actually 2 flamingos, and so I just used pink paper and put him in the little tag. Very cute. Okay, the next one is just a little, like a cluster. Just a little cluster. And then here in the back is a tag on a tag on a tag, 3 tags in one. And it says, I'm happiest when I'm floating in the sea. Maybe Lily should take Sabino to the beach instead of the pool so she could use this. And then here is the other flamingo, which is not exactly, like I said, it's a 2-set die. And it's just a little beach vacation. And then you flip it over, and this is left blank for a 2x3 picture. So I know it looks busy. That's the actual paper background that came in the kit. So I just left it like that because the picture's gonna cover most of it. So have that. This is, I don't even know, my 4th, no, 5th. My 5th tag. I left it empty as well because this is another 2x3 picture. I don't know if it's not wide enough for a 3 for sure, or 3x4. So I just left this fairly empty, very cute background paper. And then here's another little cluster with just stickers basically. Here's the 6th tag. The space 2x2 picture will go here. And then just edit this little cute turtle. And I actually like that the album kind of has stuff sticking out of it. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I really like that. I don't know. It came out really good. I'm really proud of this project. Here's the back of that. And I left this open like not, this is glued, secured down, but this one is left open so that she could put like a picture, or I'm gonna do it for her. They could put a picture back here and then just close it back up. So it's like a on top of a picture layer. So I did that there. Here's another little, just a little cluster, more for decoration than anything. And then again, the chipboard sticker. Again, the I'm happy is when I'm floating in the sea. Here's just a decoration, like a little cluster. And then you flip it over and same thing. I know my tags are getting twisted up here, but there'll be a picture behind this little tag right here. Beach therapy. This one's sticking out a lot. But here, the space on top is left on purpose like that, so that I could put a 2x2 picture there. Flip it over, and here's another one, busy background for either a skinny 3, which I don't think it's gonna be a 3x4, but a little bit less, so that it covers that area. And then my last tag, my last tag is of this flamingo. The tag is left not secured. It's only adhered with staples on this corner. Same thing, so that she could put a picture and then put it down, or put a picture here and leave that as it is. And then you flip it over and it's a day at the beach, little cluster. And that was my third project, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed this short video. Like I said, I didn't show you how I created this because I just didn't have time to film it. It was one of those like, oh, and I started working on it, and before you knew it, it was coming together, and I had no time for the camera. So those were my 3 projects for this collection, Summer Splash. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you soon. Bye.